In this video, you will learn that how to make automatic doorbell system with auto detection. So let's make the circuit, and first of all pick the component from here. First of all choose the relay module. This is the relay, double click on it, and now choose the battery, double click on it. Now choose the buzzer. We will use this buzzer as a doorbell, double click on it, and now choose the IR obstacle sensor. So this is the IR sensor. If you don't have this IR sensor in your Proteus, you can add it as an external library. You can download the library from the link provided in the description, download it and then add it to your Proteus. And if you don't know how to add the IR sensor to your Proteus, you can watch my video, link is also available in the description, and from there you can learn that how to add the IR sensor to Proteus. So double click on it and now pick the logic state. Double click on it and now make the connections. So first of all place the IR sensor here, connect the ground. Now connect the power with it, connect power with VCC of the sensor pin, and now connect the logic state with it. Rotate it and now connect it to the sensor test pin. Now place the relay here. Now connect the buzzer with it. Connect the cell here. Make the voltage 12 volt and ground it. Ground the relay as well as ground the circuit like this. Now connect the relay pin with a sensor out pin. Make the relay voltage 5 instead of 12. Now circuit is almost ready, and let me zoom it to a specific area. So circuit is almost ready, and the working principle of this project will be this IR sensor will be installed at the door, and whenever someone came close to the door, so this IR sensor will detect the person and then it will give signal to the doorbell, and then doorbell will be then turned on. So let me change it from buzzer to bell. And please keep in mind that add the hex file to the IR sensor, and that can be found in the library folder of the IR sensor. You can download library from the link provided in the description, download it and click on edit properties, then search from here. So this is the IR sensor library, open it, and here you can see the hex file, edit. Now click on OK. Now run the simulation. So this 0 means that no one is in front of the sensor, and whenever it goes to 1, so this means that AR sensor detects someone. So let me make it 1, and here you can see the buzzer is now turned on. Let me turn it off. So whenever someone came near to the door, so it will detect it and then it will act like this. So here you can see the doorbell is now turned on. Let me make it 0, and let me check it again. Whenever someone came near to the door, so it will detect the person, and let me make it 1 and check the doorbell. So here you can see the doorbell is now turned on. Let me make it 0 again. Let me check it again. Here you can see the doorbell is now turned on. So this was the method of how to make the automatic doorbell system with auto detection. The circuit diagram and library link is available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the product, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to Arduino. Thanks for watching.